Greetings, people, and welcome to Good Evening, Nigeria. The Supreme Court of Nigeria has finally put to an end the governorship tussle in Osun State by affirms Adeleke as the duly elected governor of Osun State. In a very large judgment by the Supreme Court Justice Emmanuel Agim, the Supreme Court had said that despite the fact that the APC and Oyetola had alleged there was a case of overvoting in about 744 polling units across Osun State, which was the reason Adeleke was able to defeat Oyetola in the last governorship election. However, they have not been able to prove that using the BVAS machine. According to the Supreme Court Justice, presiding officers were not mandated by the Electoral Act or Constitution to transfer accredited voters to the INEC server. And so they could not just rely on mere allegations without being able or without concrete evidence to prove that in discrediting the Osun State governorship election. And so Adeleke was affirmed as the duly elected governor of Osun State. Congratulations to Adeleke. Now, for those who do not know how the whole issue started, let me give a very brief background to this issue. After the governorship election in Osun State last year, the former governor of Osun State, Oyetola, who was a candidate of the APC, had approached the Election Petition Tribunal sitting in Osogbo in Osun State with the allegation of overvoting after he lost the election. And now the tribunal sitting in Osogbo had, in a split judgment, nullified the election that returned Adeleke as the governor of the state. Two persons said Adeleke did not win. One person said Adeleke won. And of course, in a democracy, the majority will have their way, while the minority will have their say. So Adeleke's election was nullified by the tribunal. Not satisfied, Adeleke went to the appeal court, and the appeal court, in a unanimous judgment of 3 members, affirmed that election and even slammed a fine of 500,000 naira against APC and Oyetola for reason they claim they were bringing frivolous cases to them to preside over. Not satisfied by APC as it is with politicians, he headed to the Supreme Court. And today, the Supreme Court had nailed it all by saying they are not able to prove that case of overvoting in about 744 units. And thereafter, affirmed Adeleke again as the elected governor of Osun State. I think this is time for sportsmanship. APC should congratulate Adeleke and work with him. Congratulations to Adeleke, congratulations to PDP, and congratulations to the good people of Osun State. My name is Richard Agbolo. I remain your host. Bye.